Hi, this is John with WTI, and I needed a cover for my Galaxy Tab, but I needed one that was going to be rugged and at the same time is going to give a great protection for my tablet. And this Fintie cover is made out of silicone. Yes, silicone. It's going to be a heavy and at the same time resistant cover that is going to give you all the protection that you will need for your tablet. Something I like about this is obviously I buy everything in black for me, but it's the great protection. So you can drop this, and I've dropped this already, from different places, your tablet, and you can rest easy. That is gonna be all right. So Fintie already makes a great covers when they're slim, but they make greater covers when they ever have to be rugged. So the rugged corners is gonna be a great protection for your tablet. So if you're looking for a great cover that is gonna be heavy, but at the same time is gonna protect your tablet the way you need it, you need to protect your investment. This is a great one by Fintie. So this was John with WTI, and that's my point of view.